Hello everyone. Let's pause for a moment and consider this. How many of you have ever poured your heart and soul into achieving a goal? This is a common experience, but tracking your progress and celebrating your achievements can make a significant difference in how you perceive and achieve your goals. By the end of today's lecture, you will be able to understand the importance of tracking progress, learn how to make adjustments to stay on track, recognize the value of celebrating achievements, implement strategies to integrate these practices into your daily life. Tracking progress is essential for understanding where you stand in relation to your goals. It helps you stay focused and motivated. Motivation. Seeing tangible progress can boost your motivation and keep you committed to your goals. It provides insights into what's working and what's not, allowing you to make informed decisions. You're working on a fitness goal to run a marathon. A log of your daily runs and distance reveals improvement and potential training adjustments. Journals and logs. Keep a daily or a weekly journal to record your activities and progress. Digital tools. Use apps and softwares designed for goal tracking like Trello, Asana, or fitness trackers. A student named Alex used a simple spreadsheet to track his hours and grades over the semester. At the end of the term, he could clearly see how his increased study time correlated with better grades, which motivated him to maintain his study habits. No matter how well you plan, sometimes things don't go as expected. Making adjustments is a critical part of staying on track towards your goal. Identifying when adjustments are needed. Signs of stagnation. If you're not seeing progress despite your efforts, it might be time to adjust your approach. Feedback. Listen to feedback from others or form your own reflections to determine if adjustments are necessary. If you are aiming to improve your grades but notice that your current study routine isn't effective, consider trying new study techniques such as group study sessions or different time management strategies. Evaluate and reflect. Regularly review your progress and reflect on what's working and what's not. Set new milestones. Adjust your goals by setting new, realistic milestones that account for any changes or obstacles. Think of your progress as a journey on a road trip. If you encounter a roadblock, you don't abandon your destination. Instead, you find an alternate route that still gets you where you want to go. Celebrating your achievements, no matter how small, is essential for maintaining motivation and a positive mindset. Why celebrating achievements matter? It boosts morale. Recognizing your hard work and success boosts your confidence and morale. Provides closure. It gives you a sense of closure and accomplishment, allowing you to move on to the next goal with a clear mind. Ways to celebrate achievements. Personal rewards. Treat yourself to something special, like a favorite meal or even a small gift. Share with others. Share your success with friends and family who can celebrate with you and offer you encouragement. Emily, a student who successfully balanced her studies with a part-time job, celebrated her achievements by organizing a small get-together with friends. This celebration not only boosted her morale but also motivated her to set and achieve new goals. Schedule regular check-ins with yourself to review your progress and celebrate achievements. This can be weekly or monthly. Every Sunday evening, take 30 minutes to review your week and acknowledge any achievements. Now here is what I want you to do. Choose a way to celebrate your achievements at the end of a challenge. Document the celebration with photos or a short video and include a brief reflection on how it felt to recognize your progress. I appreciate your presence and active participation today. It's been a pleasure sharing these insights with you. I look forward to our next session. Have a great day.